Hey, what's good, y'all? This is your boy, Eat That Pussy 445. Friend of mine over YouTube, Quan, aka Hollywood Q, um, sent me this package in the mail. I don't know what the shit it is. I don't know. I have no clue of what it is. So, whatever it is, I'm gonna be just as surprised as y'all. So, I'll go ahead and open this up. Oh, okay. He sent me a Santa Claus Eagles hat and oh my bad. And I guess this is a Philadelphia Eagles license plate. So, um, looks pretty cool. I'm gonna definitely wear this. I'm gonna definitely wear this during Christmas and during the holidays. So, um, definitely I'm gonna wear that. This is also gonna be a shout out video. So I'm gonna definitely give some shout outs on the list that I have prepared. So, and oh, I'm sorry. He also sent me some cool. Um, hold on. Honestly, I don't know what this is. I think these are. I think these are little things you hang up on the wall. I'm not sure. Um, um, Once again, I want to say thanks to Quan, aka Hollywood Q, um, for doing this for me out of the kindness of his heart. Um, when he gave me the tracking number, I was definitely surprised. So, once again, I'm happy. I'm thankful. Um, Thanks again, Quan, Hollywood Q. I really appreciate the gifts and the items from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, thanks again. I really appreciate it. Also, I have a list prepared. Um, I'm gonna give some shout outs to all my subscribers and my friends that I've hold on, let me just I'm gonna give some special shout outs to all my subscribers and friends. Some of these friends I went to school with back in LA. Want to give a shout out to the Patson Avenue. Um, I think that's a street where Lincoln Financial Field is located on. Jay Steinhauer, Quan, aka Hollywood Q, that I just said, Ripper Eagle 96, 215, Pretty Boy, Ultimate Philly Fan, Cool Kid 93 Fool. I think his name is the Trevion 1000, We Master 520, Kelvin, aka Big Kel, the guy I used to hang out with, and used to go to school with. Carrington, he's in the military. Longtime friend, been knowing him since the seventh grade. He's in the military across seas. May God be with him, and I want him to come back I want him to come back in one piece. Please come back in one piece if you're watching this. Um, my friend Christian, aka Cocaine Bobby, that I still talk with on Facebook. Art, Ariel used to go to school with. Um, Young J, aka Jason, brothers of Art and Ariel. Um, both Candace's sister, and Candace, the mom, of course. I want to wish y'all a happy Thanksgiving. Um, Ashley, my sister that stays in LA. Um, Jonathan Osario, the guy I hang out with at school. He used to hang out with Brianna, PR12345, Key Reynolds, Trey Morrow, Thomas Johnson. He's a Cowboys fan. You know, even though our teams don't get along, you know, we still hang out, still talk to him and stuff. Um, my brother Rayvon. Um, my three cousins, Brandy, Marvin, and Big Chris. D, aka DeAndre Ingram. Well, DeAndre. We call him D. He was on the basketball team, JV and varsity. You know, used to hang out a lot. We damn near almost had the same fucking classes together. So we be kicking it, laughing. He be saying he be getting on me, calling me fat this, fat that. I have to get back on him about his black ass skin. You know, the nigga dark as fuck. You know, but we just be playing. You know, just be joking around. Glenn Wallace and Gabby, my teacher, Cammy Dexter, my other teacher, Miss Axelrod, Maxine Axelrod, some more people from the Patson Avenue group, Facebook group, um, Katie Kinsler, Keith, Kelvin, Nestor, Thomas, Ice Tray, Will, Caliman 408, Pogo Ride, Pogo or Die One, Kimura Wolfork, Churchster One, Dan Rosal, I think that's his name, Drunken Tailgater, Tall Stack 6161, um, another teacher of mine, Dr. HB, one of the smartest, intelligent teachers I ever had the honor of being taught by. She was my economics teacher. Um, Bleed Green for Life, uh, Damon 089, 7GHO, and Dave Spadero that I be talking to, that I be talking with on well, you know, the Eagles networking station and stuff. That's basically it. If I miss your name, I'll strongly apologize. Um, I was writing down a whole lot of people and I couldn't remember them all. Other than that, this is your boy Eat That Pussy 445. Wishing everybody a Thanksgiving. Stay safe. Um, get full. Fuck them pies up, nigga. I know I am, nigga. I'ma fuck them pies up. I'ma tear up that goddamn turkey, nigga, in them fucking brown and served rolls. I hope the Dolphins beat the shit out of the Cowboys this tomorrow. Other than that, that's it, y'all. I'm gone. Peace. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. And happy Thanksgiving to my friends, everybody, and subscribers. Peace out, y'all.